Want to send Solana tokens to multiple wallets without doing it one by one? In this video, I'll show you how to use a Solana Airdrop tool step by step. Manually sending tokens to multiple wallets is slow and error-prone. A multisender allows you to distribute tokens quickly and efficiently. Start by opening the MyCryptoView AI Multisender. Go to ai.mycryptoview.com. This dashboard allows you to send tokens to multiple wallets, upload bulk address lists, and track transactions. Locate the network drop-down menu, search for Solana, and select it. Solana is commonly used because of its low fees and fast transaction speeds. Click the upload icon and upload your wallet address list. You can use formats like CSV, TXT, or paste addresses manually. Carefully review your wallet list. Check for errors, duplicates, and confirm the number of recipients. Then, click I'm done to continue. Click Send Token to switch to token mode. This ensures you are sending tokens instead of native SOL. From the right-hand panel, select USDT or any token you want to distribute. Choose between Standard Mode or Fast Mode. Standard is more reliable for small batches, while Fast Mode is ideal for large bulk transfers. For faster distribution, select Fast Mode and click Continue to confirm. Choose how the system handles failed transactions. You can stop on the first failure or continue and retry at the end. For large airdrops, selecting retry at the end is usually better. After the process completes, you'll see successful transactions, retried ones, and any failed transactions along with their IDs. Using a tool like the AI Multisender makes it much easier to send tokens to multiple wallets. It reduces manual work, saves time, and helps avoid errors. This method is commonly used for airdrops, community rewards, token launches, and bulk payments. That's how you use a Solana Airdrop tool step by step. You can find the link to the tool in the description. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials.